This abstract visualization represents the compounding growth of an automated wealth vehicle. Our goal today is to move you from an absolute beginner to the owner of an open, funded, and tax-free investment account. While the world of finance often feels opaque, the physical process of opening a brokerage account is actually a predictable sequence of 5 precise steps. Before starting, verify the legal baseline. You must be a UK resident and at least 18 years of age. You will need these 3 specific items nearby: your UK passport, your national insurance number, usually found on a government letter, and a standard debit card for your initial deposit. Having these physical items ready guarantees a frictionless application process, allowing you to move from intention to an active account without administrative delays. To begin, navigate to your chosen broker's platform and select the option to open a new Stocks and Shares ISA. Look closely at the account types. Select the Stocks and Shares ISA. Avoid the General Investment Account, as it lacks the same tax protections. During data entry, your legal name, date of birth, and address must exactly match your official documents. Do not use a shortened version of your name or a nickname. If your documents say Thomas, typing Tom will trigger an immediate verification failure within the broker's system. You are also required to input your national insurance number, which the broker uses to link the account to your specific tax profile with HMRC. Once you have double-checked every character for accuracy, submit this baseline data to proceed. Automated security algorithms will cross-reference this data instantly. Precision here ensures your application moves forward without manual intervention. The next phase is identity verification. This typically requires you to use your smartphone to scan your physical ID. As you see here, the camera is locking on to the ID card. Place your document on a flat surface in a well-lit room without glare, and wait for the software to confirm the capture. Once the scan is processed, the system will display an Identity Verified or Approved badge, confirming your account is now active. Now you must fund the account. Enter your debit card details or link your bank account to make your first deposit. This graphic illustrates your annual tax-free allowance. Depositing £100 today scales your remaining allowance down to £19,900. Keep in mind, £20,000 is the absolute limit you can deposit across all ISAs in a single tax year. With your identity verified and your initial deposit confirmed, you have moved your capital from a standard bank account into a dedicated investment environment. However, the setup is not finished until you perform the most important step: asset allocation. This chart shows the cash trap. On the left, uninvested cash sits stagnant. On the right, invested assets have the opportunity to trend upward. Simply holding cash in an ISA does not generate investment returns. To begin, search for a broadly diversified asset, like a global index fund. Select the fund, enter your buy amount, and click Execute Trade. Your uninvested cash balance will drop to 0, converting into your first portfolio holding. This trade is what completes the process. Only after this click is your capital actually exposed to the market within your tax-free shield. Your Stocks and Shares ISA is now active, funded, and legally protected from UK capital gains and income tax. To turn this setup into a long-term habit, there is one final technical step you should take immediately. Navigate to your account settings and enable a recurring direct debit. This automates your monthly contributions, ensuring your portfolio grows without requiring manual intervention every payday. By automating the deposit, you bypass the need to make a new decision every month, making consistent investing the default state of your finances. As we look at the trajectory of long-term market growth, consider that you have successfully transitioned from an observer to an active participant in the financial markets in just a few minutes. This systematic setup ensures that every pound you invest through this account can now grow and be withdrawn entirely free of UK tax.